And again, the White House today defended its immigration order. Here's Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt.
The president has said countless times on the campaign trail, I've been with him at the rallies, I know you've been there covering them too, Peter, that he is focused on launching the largest mass deportation operation in American history of illegal criminals. And if you are an individual, a foreign national, who illegally enters the United States of America, you are, by definition, a criminal. And so therefore, you are subject to deportation.
Now, let's take a look at your constitutional rights in these cases. Our legal analyst, Stephanie Haney, explains, legally speaking.
As we continue to see people being detained by U.S. Immigrations and Customs Enforcement, or ICE agents, it's important for everyone to know that everyone here in this country has constitutional rights. Legally speaking, that includes undocumented immigrants, meaning people who are here without legal immigration status. If that's you, you have rights at home, in public, and at your place of work. You have the right to remain silent no matter where you are. You don't have to answer questions about where you were born or how you entered the U.S. If you choose to remain silent, you should say you're exercising that right out loud, and you do not have to show any identification that says what country you're from. Legal Aid Society of Cleveland attorney and spokesperson Melanie Sharkarian says being stopped by immigration officers or other law enforcement can be frightening, but it's important to stay calm. If law enforcement asks about your immigration or citizenship status, don't run, argue, or resist or obstruct the officer, even if you believe your rights are being violated. Keep your hands where police can see them, and don't lie about your status or provide false documents. Remember, anything you tell an officer can later be used against you. If ICE agents come to your house, you do not have to open the door unless they have a valid search warrant signed by a judge with your correct name and address on it. If they say they have that, you can ask them to slip it under the door to show you. If they have a different document that's signed by anyone other than a judge, you do not have to let them into your home. Whenever you encounter an ICE agent, whether you're at home, in public, or at work, you have the right to speak to a lawyer if you're detained or taken into custody. If you don't have a lawyer, you can ask for a list of pro bono lawyers, and you can refuse to sign anything until after speaking with the lawyer. If you are stopped somewhere by an ICE agent, you can ask if you're free to leave. If they say yes, you can calmly walk away. If they say no, then you can tell them you're exercising your right to remain silent. This is Stephanie Haney, legally speaking, for 3 News.